Brave has been here for years, and I made a review video not long ago. But since then, things have changed, and we'll talk about them in this video. So, let us begin. We'll discuss the pros of Brave first. Brave tries hard to be your normal browser with extra privacy features. It has a Brave Shield that offers a few more options than ordinary browsers. It also brings support for syncing and extensions, and its download speed is pretty good. Every time you open a new tab, it shows a different image to feel new. Overall, the team has done a good job on its appearance and features. Another thing is that it automatically blocks third-party cookies, which sometimes track your behavior and time on the internet. Third-party cookies are mostly used for advertisement purposes, so no cookies mean no tailored ads. On this topic, we don't see ads on websites and video platforms, including YouTube. This is another thing to consider if you're looking for a clutter-free browsing experience. With AI and stuff, Brave did not hold back. It has this Leo AI assistant helping you to browse the web. You can summarize pages, translate them, set reminders and more. It sits on the top menu and does not require a sign up or anything. Alright, Brave has Tor built in. Tor is great for hiding your location and browsing the web anonymously. Tor changes your location so that your actual location is hidden. It also encrypts your data by passing it through multiple servers. The internet speed is much slower, but it gives you peace of mind that no one is tracking you. Another good or neutral thing about Brave is that it has a VPN. Brave VPN is powered by a third-party provider and it costs $10 per month. Just like other VPNs, it hides your location and encrypts your data. But on this subject, I think what's the point of VPN? Brave has Tor, so if you want to change your location, you can do so with that. The only different thing VPN can offer is letting you choose your own location, and I don't think it's worth investing $10 monthly just for that. Now we'll talk about cons. So multiple times Brave has been caught injecting referral codes into web addresses. Users type the website address and the browser added the referral code to earn a commission. I mean, there's no harm in making extra money, but not the way they did it. Another disadvantage of Brave is that it removes ads, but it shows its own ads. I mean, you can disable that if you like, but isn't it unproductive to block the earnings of millions of creators while Brave gets to make money? I know users earn crypto tokens for watching those ads, but I'm sure Brave takes the cake as well. Another thing is that users can choose to withdraw coins or donate them to creators. However, most people would choose to withdraw rather than donate. Also, even if they do donate, the money does not go straight to the content creator. The creator must register on the Brave website to withdraw those coins. So overall, it's not the best system and needs some polishing. Now, Brave is all about privacy and stuff. But if you look at its reward system, it says that you must sign up for a service to receive your coins. I don't mind signing up, but those websites ask for your ID verification, and to do that, you must provide your legal ID. So another website that stores our private documents. Overall, I think Brave is good for normal browsing, and if you want to store crypto and maybe earn a few coins while browsing. But if you just want privacy, browsers like Firefox are here as well. They work the same. Brave is a little bit much if you don't need any crypto things. Anyway, this is the end. Please let me know what you think of Brave below. I'll catch you later. Take care.